Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and back in 2019 Beats launched its first pair of true wireless earphones. And we loved them. They were probably the first pair of completely wire-free workout earphones that were comfortable to wear and sounded great and had a great battery life. But the one thing Beats never did was replace the Powerbeats 3, and that's where the Powerbeats 4 come in. They adopt the much better design of the Pro but add in a cable as well. Now they come in this box, and apart from the plastic film around the outside, Beats has done what it can to make a practical, eco-friendly package. And once that film is off, there's no tape sticking parts down, it's pretty much all cardboard, and not a lot of extra fluff that needs to be thrown away. So when we open the lid, you can see that even the part holding the earphones in place is made from a cardboard-based material. There's no non-recyclable styrofoam or plastic or sponges anywhere. Now in the box you get this thin pouch with a drawstring for keeping the earphones stowed away when not in use. You also get a short USB-A to lightning cable, again held in place by a part of the cardboard packaging. Now the only element here with plastic is the part that covers the ear tips, presumably to help keep them sealed away from the elements and keep them clean. As we said, the cable is a lightning cable, and that means it's the same as your iPhone if you have one. As usual, there's a quick start guide for helping you to set up the earphones and a card reminding you about the downloadable app, but that's really only applicable to Android users because most of the features it enables are built into iOS as standard. You also get quite a large Beats logo sticker, plus the usual other paperwork which you can read or maybe just shred into tiny pieces, throw it in front of a fan and pretend you're in a mini snowstorm. Now we get to the Powerbeats. And to set them up, if you have an iPhone, you just press and hold the power or pairing button on the left earbud for a couple of seconds, and then wait for the pop-up window to appear on your iPhone screen. If you have an Android device, download the app, and then if the earbuds are in pairing mode, it should pair easily and quickly within the app, and it'll also let you change the name and see the battery level. Now in terms of design, you can see they're very similar to the Powerbeats Pro. They feature the much softer angles and contours compared to the less comfortable Powerbeats 3. They don't have that bass reflex air hole like the Pro, which might mean better noise isolation, and they also don't have the proximity sensor for detecting when they're in your ears. Similarly, we think that placing them in and out of the small pouch would be a little less convenient than just taking the Pro out of the charging case, but there's really not a lot in that really. You won't be doing it often enough for that to ever become a chore. Now, unlike the Pro, you can also wear them around your neck, and the physical controls are really easy to figure out. The right earbud has the single button on the outside for playing and pausing and skipping tracks, and the volume rocker is on the top. The left earbud just features the power button. So far we've enjoyed wearing these for working out. We've probably done about 2 hours worth of workouts in them so far, and they do sound just as good as the Powerbeats Pro in terms of audio quality. They're comfortable too, although having that cable around the neck doesn't give you that same free feeling that you get from having the Powerbeats Pro in your ears. So sometimes you do feel like you have to adjust it every now and then just to stop it from getting uncomfortable and tugging at your ears. But that only ever really becomes a problem if you move your head a lot. If you're doing an exercise where you're mostly just facing the same direction, then it never becomes a problem at all. The most important thing though is that they feel like a major improvement on the Powerbeats 3. They're much more comfortable to wear, and they sound really good, especially when you consider these cost about £100 less than the Powerbeats Pro. They're £129. Now we'll have a full review of the Powerbeats 4 on Pocket-lint.com in the near future, so keep an eye out for that. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you again in the next one.